In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a date in DocuSign with our comprehensive 2025 guide. Navigating DocuSign's interface can be a bit daunting, but don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's start by getting you logged into your DocuSign account. Head over to DocuSign.com and look up to the top right corner where you'll see the login button. Click on it and enter your username and password to access your account. Now let's dive into the specifics of changing dates within your documents. First, it's essential to understand the automatic date signed field in DocuSign. This field is designed to be system generated, and this is crucial for maintaining the document's legality and providing an audit trail. Unfortunately, once a document is signed, this date cannot be changed manually. However, if you absolutely need a different date on your document, such as in cases where backdating is legitimate, there's a workaround. You'll need to void the current envelope first. After doing so, you'll need to create a new envelope for your document, add a custom date field into this new document. This custom field allows you to specify the chosen date according to your requirements. Now let's talk about editing a custom date field when you're preparing a document to be sent. If you're the sender and you've already added a custom date field, navigate to the Prepare Document screen. From there, click directly on the date field you've included. On the right-hand panel, you'll be able to change the default value, which essentially lets you pre-fill the correct date. Not only that, but you can also set the validation format. Depending on your preference or requirement, you might choose MMDDYYY, DDMMYYYY, or any other standard format. Once everything looks good and your changes are made, don't forget to save them. After that, go ahead and click Send to dispatch your document off to its intended recipients. For those of you who are signing documents, if you come across a custom date field that is open for entry, simply click inside the field. You can either type in the date manually or select it via the calendar picker option. After selecting or typing in the date, proceed with the normal process of completing and finishing your signing. What if the document is already signed and there's still a discrepancy with the date? With fully executed envelopes, they're locked to comply and safeguard the integrity of each document. To amend any errors, the best course of action is to reach out to the sender. Ask them to use DocuSign Correct to adjust the dates and resend the envelope if this feature is enabled. Alternatively, voiding the completed envelope and resending a corrected version with the accurate date may be necessary. By following these steps, you can manage and adjust dates in DocuSign effectively. Hopefully, this guide has made the process clearer for you. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your DocuSigning.